Date, January 4th, 2026. Title, Statistics, a full lecture to learn data science. Take 2. Welcome back. This is Statistics Made Easy. I would like to explain to you the very fundamental level to under statistics that you can build upon. First, the statistics or data science, it's a 3-step process. We collect data, analyze them, and then interpret them, usually in some sort of visual data, or is it data visualizations. And before we move on, very important, the first and fundamental, the building block, the foundations of statistics is for you to understand the level of measurements. When we talk about level, so we can go higher and higher. The higher up the level of measurements that you go, the more statistical tools that you can use. We'll start with the very basic, different categories like apples, oranges, or how many people like oranges, apples, and pears, or which shoe brand you like, Nike, Adidas, Steve Madden, and so forth. We can collect data, we can build some bar charts, but there's not very much that we can do besides that. Now we move on to a ordinal level of measurements, which is a little better than nominal. Nominal, but you can't really, the drawback, well, it's the most basic level, but you can't really rank them meaningfully. You cannot rank, okay, apple and oranges. Yeah, like apple and oranges, that's why they use the phrase. Now, second, and when we move up to a higher ordinal level, we can somehow rank them. Like job satisfaction, we begin with a low job satisfaction level of very dissatisfied into slightly dissatisfied, neutral, slightly satisfied, and very satisfied. Now we have more to work with. We can rank them in somewhat meaningful way, but yet we cannot do math. We don't know the interval in between. What is that, right? Or neither can we do math. Like, would 2 very dissatisfied be equal to 1 slightly satisfied? We don't know that. So